How's it going, everyone? My name is Josh, and this is Good Times Media Group. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to use the new affiliate dashboard for GTMGAppShop.com. So first off, this is your GTMG affiliate dashboard. You can see you have primary social links that you can share. This is your basic referral code or referral link. Now, if you want to see your analytics, this is just an example account I made. If you want to see your analytics, you can see it right here in the Analytics tab. If you want to invite others, you can go to the Invite Others tab. Now this is how you make a custom affiliate link for one of our products. For example, we already have one made, but we're going to go ahead and make another one. So find a product you want. In this case, I'm going to go to the JotPad Pro file. I'm going to copy this link right here. Now I'm going to go back into the affiliate page. I'm going to clear out this right here. I'm going to copy and paste this right into here. And I'm going to name this JotPad Pro. Oh, got to put an O there. And there we go. We'll just call it Get JotPad Pro. We're going to create the link. We're going to copy this link down here. It says link copy to dashboard. Now I'm going to clear out this right here, and I'm going to go in to that link. Now this link right here is your custom affiliate link for anyone that wants to buy JotPad Pro. You can see it says Source League Dino up there. This is definitely an affiliate link. And that is simply how you go ahead and make yourself an affiliate link for one of our products. Now we go into commissions, if you want to see where your commission details are. And the What's Selling tab will show you, so when other people and items start selling, it will show you what items are hot. So, you can go ahead and use that as a way to gauge what you're going to sell. So, if you want to sign out, you just go ahead and click here, log out, or you can set a password. Because by default, when you sign up, you don't start a password and you have to get a sign-in link. So you just go ahead and request a sign-in link to your email. All you have to do to sign up is the only things you need are your first, last name, and of course your email of choice. And payments are acceptable through PayPal. So if you're interested in our affiliate program, again, I'll mention that there is no minimum payouts. There is no minimum requirements. Unlike Amazon, where you have to have a certain amount of sold to be in their program, with our program, you don't need that. This is literally geared towards anyone. You could have an audience of 0. I don't care. I'd be more than happy to have anyone in this program. So, it's great for people with small YouTube channels or blogs, or anyone that just needs an affiliate program for their blog to, monetize it in general. So thank you for listening. Sorry if I kind of talked in circles. I tend to do this. And I appreciate everyone that's been supporting Good Times Media Group. Have a nice day, everyone.